You wanna try to put this pants on by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, try. This is 2.5 years old. Mr. Toma. If he can put his pants on.
I'm kinda jump.
You kinda jump. Oh?
Let me jump.
Okay.
I'm jumping by myself.
Okay. What a smart boy! It took just 37 seconds to
did it.
You did it! Give mommy a big five!
With my feet.
With your feet? Give big feet five. Good. The other feet five. Good job. Hey, do me steady.
I got.
Hey.
Where's my keys?
It's in the kitchen.
In the kitchen?
Yeah. It's in the kitchen counter.
Kitchen counter?
Yeah.
Where's it go?
On the top of the counter. On the top.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
I gotta get a stool or get it.
Gotta get a stool to get it.
Gotta.
Good job.
Where'd it go? Right there?
Yeah.
Over there? I got it.
You got it?
I got my
Yeah.
keys.
Ooh, what's on your face?
Tattoo.
You got tattoo on your face? What picture is that?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, huh? Good. Okay, you don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need that. Okay.
Stick.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye? That's not bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss, kiss.
Bye-bye.
Say, I miss you, Daddy. Do you miss Daddy? Okay, bye-bye.